Leon Sama?
I disagree with how Claire's supposed to be played. I mean, she can painkiller herself, and she can be as upfront as the super soldier Leon.
Dude, you're way better off, like, sticking in the back and helping out your teammates, shooting a painkiller their way, and, like, keeping your teammates healed up. Like, it's way more valuable, I think. I think like that's why Claire is why the special ops are really, really good. I mean, yeah, they have Super Soldier Leon, but
You're not a soldier, you're a super delivery boy. Or was it messenger? I don't know.
Umbrella operatives are nearby. Kill them. Priority targets are their team leaders.
And don't forget, we're still recording, guys. Yeah!
Oh snap.
Run. Alright, let's go. Let's go Barwick.
I'm getting tossed.
Somebody.
The zombie just tossed my salad. Oh, is that Nikolai? Oh boy.
Yeah, Nikolai.
I think he's trying to lure me into an ambush. And it's working.
Well, you'd think. Oh, maybe he is. I don't know. There's Honk. He disappeared.
Oh yeah, I took a shit on him, dude.
I got Nikolai.
Nice!
I sticky Nikolai with all my
Alright,
grenades.
let's run the Colt.
Why are you so self-sufficient?
It's Jill. She can solo, dude. That's her specialty.
Oh shit, you're infected.
Oh, I'm fighting Ada with the grenade launcher.
Light grenade! Take cover!
She can't grenade launch what she can't see.
I can't see anything now.
Yeah, alright, let's have a zombie party.
Alright, got her.
Just need to eliminate one more target.
Take this!
I got a food kick. What? Say what?
Yeah, this is it for
What?
Sorry.
I like the flash grenade is we double punched him and then the explosion went off. That is like recorded for posterity.
I was just in the back throwing all my stickies. I was like, Lone Wolf is finished.
Oh shit,
Heroes is a pretty good mode, but man, I hate it when I die.